Hello. Hello, Ellie.
Hello, teacher.
Hi. How are you today?
I'm fine.
It's so good to see you today. Last week you didn't join the lesson. So tell me, how is your holiday going?
I'm going to Đà Lạt.
What?
I'm I'm went to Đà Lạt.
You went to,
Đà Lạt.
is it in Vietnam?
Yes.
Wow, that's great. So, what did you see there? What did you do?
Um, I saw mountains and I went to puppy farm.
Went to where?
Puppy farm.
Poppy Farm. That's great. So you are really enjoying your holiday. Nice one. You're welcome to the lesson. So who did you go there with? Is it with your mom, your dad? Who?
I go. I went my parents.
Okay, that's great. Okay, so in our last lesson with Kim, we stopped here. We stopped at vocabulary check. We are still on the same topic, computer graded essay. Computer graded essay. So this is where we are. So let's have a brief discussion about it. Are you here, Ellie? Hello? Hello, Ellie, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, good. So the topic is computer graded essays. Students write a lot of essays during their time at school. Essays take a long time to write, and teachers need to grade them. Some schools are now using computers to grade essays. Is this a good idea? Do you think this is a good idea?
Um, yes.
Okay, why? Why did you say so?
I think it's interesting.
It's interesting. Okay, interesting as in how? How is it interesting? Can you make me understand?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, so, oh, sorry about that. So the question is, do you think using computers to grade essay is better than teachers grading essay by themselves? And you say yes. So why do you think that we should use computers to grade essay? Why? Mm? Okay, so let me give you the answer. So many people said yes, that computers should grade essay, reason being that students can get their scores immediately after the test or after they submit the assignment or homework. Then others also say that it's a good idea for computers to grade essay so that it will lessen the work for teachers. So these are the reason what some other people gave. Did you hear me, Ellie?
Yes.
Good. So now let's look at this table. Computers can do so many things. So do you prefer a computer or human to do these jobs below? Those jobs here, do you prefer a computer to do them or human? So anyone I mentioned, you tell me the one you prefer. So driver, do you prefer that computer or human should be the driver?
Computer because
Compute. Okay.
uh, it can drive carefully, follow traffic rules, and doesn't get tired.
Okay, you said computer because we can or it can drive.
It can drive carefully.
Okay, because it can drive carefully. But do you know that sometimes computers can make mistakes? I hope you know that.
It's a
Is what?
reason.
Reason. So you said the reason is because it can drive carefully, right?
Yes,
Good. So I was not saying that, do you know that sometimes computers can make mistakes or error, which might be dangerous? I hope you know that. So I think I will go for human to drive the car. I would prefer human to drive cars because they have emotions. But computers, they don't. They don't. They're just programmed to move. Okay. So the next one we'll have is doctor. Doctor. Who do you think or is the best to be the
human.
doctor? Is the computer or human? Hello?
Yes,
Do you prefer computer or human to be a doctor?
yes.
Who? Who do you prefer?
Because the
No.
a doctor
Is it
can
computer or human? Who do you want to be a doctor? Is it computer or human?
human.
Okay, why?
Because a doctor can understand patient.
Good, because human can, you say because human can understand, understand people. Good. Okay, then judge. Who do you prefer to be a judge? Is it a computer or human?
Human.
Okay, human. Why?
Um, because a judge can think about fairness,
Because they can do what?
understand fairness,
I can hear you clearly. Hello?
or just can understand
Can understand who?
situation,
Situation. Okay, okay. Because a judge can understand situation. Okay, okay. Because a judge or because a human can understand situation. Okay, so I think the best to be a judge is computer. I prefer a computer to be a judge. Do you know why? Because computers cannot be bribed or computers cannot take sides, but human can take sides sometimes. Humans sometimes are not truthful, but computer can be truthful. They cannot take side. They have to be accurate with their judge. What do you think about this? What do you think about this?
I don't know.
Okay. I think his Kim is here. Hi,
Sorry,
Kim.
teacher, I'm late.
Okay, okay, no problem. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you, teacher.
All right, you're welcome to the lesson. And our time is almost up, so I have to end this lesson now. Then we join back. Okay? Okay, did you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so I have to end it now before Zoom. Hello.
Hi, teacher.
Okay, welcome back. How are you today? I hope you're enjoying your holiday.
I hope you enjoy your holiday too.
Yeah, but I don't have any holiday. I'm still working. I'm not enjoying anything. Okay, so did you travel?
No,
Okay, so tell me, what have you been doing? Do you usually go out to the beach or maybe go shopping?
no, teacher. In the summer, I study more.
Oh, you study more. Hmm, nice one. That's great. A lot of people like to go out to rest, and when school starts, they can now start studying. That's a good idea. All right. Hi, Ellie. Welcome back.
Yeah.
Okay, so Kim, this is where we are. In our last class, remember we did this. So I'm trying to put Ellie through on this computer graded essay. So we are at number 4. So Ellie, who do you think should be a teacher? Is it computer or human?
Human.
What?
Human.
Human. Okay, why? What is your reason?
A teacher can explain lesson.
Okay, because teacher can explain lesson. That is a nice reason, but computers can also explain lessons. Mm, computers can also explain lesson. Rather, you can say, okay, Kim, can you tell me who do you want to be a teacher? Is it a computer or a human?
A human.
Why?
Because because human can teach students how to behave.
Okay, because teachers can teach human how to be.
Behavior.
Okay, you say because teachers can teach students how to behave, not how to behavior. Because teachers can teach students how to behave. Maybe in the class, outside, at home. Okay,
Yes.
good. Okay, so Ellie, I think teachers are the best to be human are the best to be teachers because they can explain lesson more than computer. So this is what you uh are supposed to say, not because teachers can explain lesson. Computers can also explain lessons, but the difference is that teachers explain in details, give examples, make it easier for students to understand better. But computer can also just explain, just give details, and that's it. No examples, and they will not make it easier for student. So that is the reason. Is that clear, Ellie?
Yes.
Good. So let's have a warm-up question. Do you like writing essay, Ellie?
No, I don't.
Why don't you like to write essay?
Because it's long line.
Okay, because it has a very long line. Okay. Then what about you, Kim? Do you like writing essay?
No, I don't.
Why?
Because it's difficult.
Difficult. Okay, I'm not surprised. So many students don't like to write essay because essays are always it has a very long what? Okay. Then do you think teachers like grading essays, Ellie? Do you think teachers like grading essays?
I think teacher don't like grading essays
Why? Why do you think so?
because it's very boring.
Boring. Okay. What about you, Kim? Do you think teachers like grading essays?
I think yes,
Why?
because teacher have a lot of good idea and write better than student.
And write better than students? No. The question is, do you think teachers like grading essay? That is marking essay, checking, and giving students scores. Okay, not teachers writing. No, grading.
I think they like it
Okay, they like it. Why? Why do you think so? Okay, or you just think they like it? You don't have reason?
yes.
Okay, okay. So let me now answer. Sometimes, I can say that teachers like to grade essays because sometimes it's very interesting. Very, very interesting. Reading what student wrote, how they put their words. Sometimes the stories they are very interesting. So I think, and I like to grade essay. I can say that, and I feel other teachers too like to grade essay. Then number three, does writing essays help students learn better? Ellie, does writing essays help students learn better?
Yes,
Okay,
because uh, writing essay help students expand um, vocabulary and knowledge.
and knowledges. Nice point. Okay, Kim, does writing essays help students learn better? Kim?
I think yes,
Okay. Why?
because writing essay can improve student vocabulary.
Okay, that's good. Essays helps to improve student vocabularies. Good. So let's read this comprehension. Ellie, can you read this for us?
Yes,
Okay.
students write essays to show their understanding of a subject. Some essays are very long and they take a long time to write. Then teachers need to spend many hours writing the essays. Will computer grade essays help everyone? Some people say that using computer to grade essays it is much better.
Okay.
First,
Excuse. This is, can you help me pronounce this again? This?
grade,
No.
grade,
Graded. Will computer
graded.
graded essay good? Help everyone. So I want you to answer the question, Kim. Will computer graded essay help everyone?
Mm, yes, it will.
Okay. Ellie, do you think it will? Will computer graded essay help everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so Kim, what is your reason for saying yes? Kim, what is your reason for saying yes?
Because computer can create essay very quickly and it can help save time.
It can help.
Save time.
Sorry, can you repeat that? What? It can help.
Save time.
Okay, save time. Okay, okay. Nice one. All right, Ellie, continue. Continue reading. Ellie,
Yes,
continue reading.
some people say that using computer to grade essays is much better. First, computers can grade essay very quickly. In fact, computers can grade thousands of essay in a few seconds. As a result,
Thousands. Thousands of essays. Thousands of essays. Okay?
thousands of essays. As a result, students will get their grades and feedback right away. Second, students can write more essays. At the moment, teachers only give a few essays to students. This is because they don't have time to grade lots of writing. If teachers use computer to grade essays, students will benefit by doing more writing. Other people say that we should not use computer to grade essay. First, computer cannot grade as well as human. Computers cannot decide if the student ideas are strong or weak. As a result, computers often give essay the wrong score. Second, students can learn how to get a high score. All they need to do is write very long sentences and paragraphs. They also need to do difficult works, but this is not why we write essays.
Okay, nice one. Nice reading. Okay, so let's look at this what here. Okay, so Kim, can you tell me the meaning of feedback? The meaning of feedback.
I don't know.
Okay, Ellie, do you know the meaning of feedback?
No, I don't.
Okay, so feedback is giving back information or advice. Sorry. Feedback is giving back information or advice to show how well someone did. To show how well someone did. Okay, so let me write it down. Okay. Hello. Hello, Kim and Ellie. Feedback is giving back information or advice about someone's performance, helping them to know their result. Okay, so when you give back, when you give feedback, that is giving information about what someone did, about the work someone has done, letting them know how far they did it, how well they did it. Is that clear? Kim and Ellie?
Yes.
Good. So Kim, can you read it? Can you read?
Feedback is giving back information or advice about someone's performance, helping them to know their result.
Good. Ellie, can you read?
Feedback is giving back information or advice about someone's performance, helping them to know their result.
Good. Okay, so the next one we have is benefit. Kim?
Benefit is advantage.
Okay, good. Benefit is advantage. Ali, do you agree with that? Ali, do you agree with that? Benefit means Ellie?
Um, it means helpful or good effect.
I can hear you clearly, please.
Benefit means a helpful or good effect.
Okay, good. It means helpful and good effect. Good. So all of them are correct. Benefit means disadvantage. It means something that is helpful or has a good effect. Nice one. Okay. Or something helpful or something helpful. Good. Then let's look at human. What is human, Kim?
Human means the people.
Okay, good. Human means people. That's correct. Then Ellie, what's the meaning of difficult?
Difficult is hard.
Okay, hard. Good. Difficult means something hard. Difficult means something hard. Okay. Or not easy. Something hard or not easy. Something that is not easy is difficult. Okay, nice one, Kim and Ellie. You did amazing. So let's have a comprehension check. Why do students write essay? Kim, why do students write essay?
Because students
Because, what did you say, Kim?
because they need to finish their homework.
Because they need to finish their homework? No. So look at this and answer.
Students write essays to show their understanding of a subject.
Good. Okay. So, Ellie, how fast can computers grade essay?
Um, I think it's 2 days.
2 days? Computer?
Yeah,
Okay, Kim, can you
yeah.
try? How
Computer can create thousands of essays in a few minutes.
few minutes? That is also wrong. Okay, so let's check. From the comprehension we just read, it shows that computers can grade thousands of essays in few seconds. So Kim, you're close. I can give you 5/10 because you're close to the answer. You said few minutes, but the answer is few seconds. Ellie, did you hear that?
Yes,
Okay, good.
Yes,
All right, then the third one. Why don't teachers give students many essays at moment? Kim?
because they don't have time to create a lot of essays.
Okay, because I don't have time to grade a lot of essays. Then Ellie, why can computers not grade essay as well as human?
because human understand student then computer.
Okay, because human understand students then teach then computers. Okay, you are close. Mm. So computers cannot grade essay as well as human. Computers cannot decide if the student's idea is strong or weak. Okay, so computer cannot be able to decide or know if the idea is strong or weak. So Ellie, I can give you 8 for your answer because you're close to the answer. Nice one. Then the last one, how can student get a high score on computer graded essays? Kim?
Because they need to write a long sentence and paragraphs. They need to use the more difficult words too.
Okay, and because of that, computers can just give them score because of the long paragraph and difficult words. Nice one. So now let's have a vocabulary check. We have benefit, feedback, grade. Okay, I think we then check the meaning of grade. Kim, what is the meaning of grade?
Mm, it means check,
It means what?
check.
Check.
Yes, I think.
Mm, no. Then um Ellie, can you try? Okay, before Ellie try, check is, for example, if this word is grading. Hello, Kim. If it's grading, you can say check, to check something, checking, okay? But this is grade, not grading. Grade. Ellie, can you try? What is the meaning of grade?
Level of quality.
What?
Level of quality.
Level or quality. Okay. I can say that you are right, but that is not the correct meaning for what we are discussing now. Grade has three different, more than one meaning. The first one is grade means score. Score. Grade means score. Then the second one is level. For example, level in school. You can say, I mean, grade 5, grade 4. Then another meaning again it has is quality. Grade also means quality. So it has like three different meaning. It can mean score. It means level, maybe in school. Then it also means quality. So, but what we are discussing now is about score. So grade means score. Our topic is about computer graded essay, so it means score. Is that clear?
Yes.
Good. Okay. So number one goes to you, Ellie. Can you answer?
The word human means a person.
Okay. Ellie, number two.
There are 60 seconds in a
Seconds.
seconds in a minute.
Okay. Then number three, Kim.
You can feedback a lot of from reading books.
You can. What did you say? You can do what?
You can feedback a lot of from reading books.
Okay. You can feedback a lot. Then Ellie, number four.
Uh,
Don't look at what has been chosen here. You can still choose the answer over again, okay? Choose which answer you think it suits.
Feedback help, help us to improve our work.
How what?
Feedback
Okay. Have feedback helps us to improve our work. Then Kim,
If
how?
you grade some, you say how good it is.
Okay, if you grade something, you say how good it is. Okay, all right, so let's check. Number one, the word human means person. There are 60 seconds in a minute. You can feedback a lot from reading books. This is wrong. Her feedback helps us to improve our work. If you grade something, you say how good it is. Okay, so Ellie, what do you think is the answer for number three?
um, you can benefit a
Uh,
lot from reading book.
good. Okay, so Kim, did you see that? You failed number 3. We said that feedback is giving back information about someone's work or someone's performance, giving them back their results, letting them know how well they did, and also helping them to improve more. That is feedback. Then benefit is gain, advantage. So you can benefit a lot from reading book. Okay, so the correct answer is benefit. Is that clear, Kim?
Yes,
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay, good. So that is all for today. We're going to end the lesson now. Next week, we continue from here. Okay? All right. See you guys next week. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
All right. Goodbye, Kim. Goodbye,
Yeah.
Ellie. All right. Bye.